So again, when it comes to those surface mounts, they are offered in the thick housing and the thin housing for both the single mount, the thick housing and thin housing for both the dual mount, and the thin housing for the dual wide mount. Both the serial series and the 3-mode series comes with a 1-foot cable harness exiting every module. The serial series has a 4-pin harness, while the 3-mode series has a 6-pin harness. The single flat surface mount has the flange and the housing all connected in one, while the thick housing has a flange that connects to the module. Both modules uses a flat rubber gasket when securing it to the vehicle. The dual stack family offers the same options. The thin one has a base with 2 mounting holes at the end connecting both modules together, while the thick one has a flange that connects both modules together. Either option comes with a rubber gasket when securing it to your vehicle. And last, the dual wide flat module comes with a rubber gasket when securing it to the vehicle, and of course the base that pre-connects both modules together along with 2 mounting screw points. When it comes to mounting these 5 available modules on the surface of the vehicle, you'd use the provided rubber gaskets. But we also have 7 brackets to pick from when mounting them in different locations of your car. The single L bracket, the double L bracket, your recess mount, window mount, hood mount, rotating bracket, and last, your license plate bracket. And of course, every module comes with your mounting screws. That concludes what comes with the 5 surface mount light heads and the available bracket options.